Have you ever paused to wonder about the miracle of life? How a single cell can evolve into a complex, breathing, thinking organism like you and me. It all begins with a process called fertilization. But what is fertilization? How does it work? And why is it so crucial to life as we know it? Imagine two tiny cells, each containing half of the genetic information required to create a new life. One is the sperm, produced by the male body. The other is the egg, produced by the female body. These two cells are destined to meet, merge, and kickstart the process of life. This is the essence of fertilization. The journey begins with the male's sperm. Millions of these microscopic swimmers are released during sexual intercourse. They travel upstream, battling the odds with one goal in mind: to reach the egg. Meanwhile, the female body releases an egg from one of the ovaries, a process known as ovulation. This egg travels down the fallopian tube, awaiting the arrival of the sperm. When a sperm successfully reaches the egg, it penetrates the egg's outer layer. This triggers a change in the egg's surface that prevents other sperm from entering. The sperm and egg merge, their genetic material combining to form a single cell. This single cell, known as a zygote, is the first step in the formation of a new individual. But the journey doesn't end there. The zygote begins to divide, forming a cluster of cells. This cluster travels down the fallopian tube and into the uterus, where it implants itself into the uterine wall. This process, known as implantation, marks the beginning of pregnancy. So to recap, fertilization is a multi-step process that involves the meeting and merging of a sperm and an egg. It begins with the release of the sperm and the egg, continues with the sperm's journey to the egg and their subsequent fusion, and ends with the implantation of the resulting cell cluster into the uterus. This process, as complex as it may seem, is the starting point of all life. The journey from a single cell to a fully formed human being is a testament to the wonder and complexity of nature. It's not just a biological process, it's a miracle, a mystery, and a marvel of nature. It's a reminder that life in all its forms and complexities begins with a single simple step: fertilization.